Up through fence, 100. Then left 5 minus onto gravel. Into right 6 over small crest, long, 100. Then right 6 plus. Then small crest, into left 6, into right 6 over big jump, ruts. Then right 6 plus 100. Then left 6 long, plus long, then brake right 4. Then small crest into left 6, into right 6 over big jump. Then right 6 plus again. Right 6, and then 100. Then small crest into left 6, into right 6 over big jump. Then right 6 plus. $100. Left 6 plus long, brake, right 4. And then right 6 plus over water, 100. Turn right 3 minus, 30. Stay left over crest, 180. Then left 4 plus over small crest off camber, drop outside. Then 150, water. Turn right 3 minus. Stay left over crest. 180, left 4 plus over small crest, 30. Small crest, 70. Then small crest, 150. Then small crest, 30. And then right 5 plus over crest, into crest, water, 100. Turn right 3 minus.
Oh shit.
Stay left over crest, 180. Then left 4 plus over small crest, off camber, drop outside.